Hello, I'm just gonna draw Sakura. Alright, so I'm just gonna start with the new layer here and I'm gonna use 40% opacity and just gonna start drawing. I'm just gonna start drawing the head here. I'm gonna have her body kind of curved down, collarbone, the arm over here, right? Then the torso twisting this way. So just give it a gesture line basically. And then face kind of maybe a little bit up. I don't want it to face too much down. So this is the direction of the face there. Then pelvis. See the foot here. Maybe forward a little bit more. Shrink it down a bit. So just like super foreshortening. So that has to go there. Side the bicep. If some tip here. If you are trying to find the pose or something, try to break everything down in geometry form, right? It doesn't always have to be the box. What geometry form? The reason I put the box here because it's make it easier for you to see what is and what isn't, like which side is, right? So now this one's gonna be the side of the body, this is the front, it's the front of the face, this is the side of the body. So you can see how it twists, and then this part is the pelvis is kind of twisting in the front a little bit. So you kind of see everything in terms of three-dimensional. Find where the face should be. So this would be the nose. And the eye should be kind of closer to the eyebrow since it's angled down. I'm just kind of setting it up for the refined drawing later stage. At this point, all the drawing is going to be pretty rough.